Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs in the Chef's Kitchen.
Joining us today is Chef David Banks. Welcome. What are we making today?
This is the famous Banks Clams Casino.
Very famous.
So we're going to whip off a quick compound butter. We rendered the bacon, bell pepper, onion. I use a dry thyme. I'm going to put a touch of garlic in it. Put in the white wine. We're going to squeeze some lemon into this, a little bit of brandy.
Just a little bit of butter.
I only do Clams Casino. I'm using it as a promotional tool for Sundays and Mondays. So the parsley goes in. Put the butter in the wax paper. Fold it over.
That's a great
Take
tip.
a straight edge. Put your straight edge on there. Just press it right out. When it hardens up,
Beautiful.
it looks like this. Now we're going to build Clams Casino.
All right.
So you want the key to it is get all four muscles and leave that one
Those are beautiful clams.
attaching muscle right there. Then you take it, you cut it into discs, then you put the butter right on top,
More
press
bacon.
press it right down on there. Into the oven they go. I serve them on a little bit of rock salt. One more time.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
See, the clams are released out of it. Yeah.
These are fabulous. I can see why you guys are famous for them at Banks Seafood Kitchen and Raw Bar.